Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.